This is the homepage for Odoo, that's odoo.com. Here you can see. Here, this is already logged in our company website, which is NoHub. Let's go and see. Here we have different options. My account, which will give the option to enable or remove features from your account. My database, which will have all the modules that you have designed. Your partner dashboard, if you have invited any partner while creating your company, they'll have the details. My app dashboard, it will show you the apps that you have added while creating this. And then the logout option, if you want to log out and go to the new company. Let's go to my account and see. This has the details, NoHub, the address, the number, and the email address where you can contact us. Now let's go to my database. Here you can see the databases which are present according to the company. For creating a new database, you can click here and you'll have the option to create the database for your company. We have already created the database for our company, so we click on Connect to see the options which it provides. This is the home page where you can see there are modules. The first is Discuss. It's a chatbot where you can ask for help. The second module is Contacts. It contains the contacts of the people or the clients we want to give training or the people who want the training from us. This is the website for our official page for the company. This is the module for e-learning, which contains all the modules that we have created for training. This is Invoicing, which contains the payslips, the bills for the clients and for the people. This is the module of email marketing, where we promote our company through emails. This is the survey, which contains the certificates. This is the employee module, which contains the details of our employees working in our organization. This is the module where you can get more apps to add features in your website. This is the setting module, which will help you to add or remove any module, change the background, change the name of your company, whenever, however it is required. Let's go to the employee module and see what it has. As you can see on this home page, we have a lot of contacts. On the left, you can see the department, which is segregated into all, administration, and sales. Now I'll show you how we added these contacts. For this, click on Import, and then we can load the file from our desktop or the hard disk where you have kept the file. We click on Open. It takes some time and loads the file. Here we have the option if we want the particular field from the Excel or not. Since this is serial number, we do not need it, so we'll not import it. This is the employee ID, so we imported it under the defined bar, employee name, so on and so forth. Once you have done, you can click on Import. It'll take a few moments and it'll import. Now you can see the contacts have been imported. For demo, we have added one person in administration and one person in sales. This is all about the employee module. Let's go back and check the other modules.
Now I'm going to show how we created our company website. It appears here. Go to website. Here you can put your company name. You can use the edit option. Any tagline you want to add. The company website. Description of the product. About the company. So we are a company providing e-learning services. You can choose your templates here. Once it's done, save it. Now click here to go back to the apps and modules. So I'll be talking about e-learning module. Here we have created all the modules which we are providing to our clients. To create a new module, click on create. Here give the title of the course. Click on add content. Here you can see the types of modules we can add. It can be an infographic form, web page, document, presentation, or certification, which will appear to the survey module, which I'll show later. You can add any picture. You can edit the duration, and if you want to make it a certificate form, just click on the certification. Here statistics will show you whatever modules you have uploaded. So I'll go back now. View course can be used after you design the module and check if anything needs to be edited. So I'll go through the module I have already created. So here you can edit the module. You can see the option delete, edit, lessons, where inside the module if you want to add any new article, invite new attendees and mail attendees for any update on this module. So I'll go to lessons because I want to show how to upload a new lesson inside it. Create. Upload your file, any PPT or any infographic, anything you can do it. So once it uploaded, it will show here. You can edit the duration, add any picture, add the title, and then save it. Here you can see how many people have attended your module and how many have completed the module. The icon we have added to our module appears here, all the lessons under it. Now I'll go to the surveys. This is the page you can add certification. Here I have designed 2 certification, and if you want your attendees to first answer your survey before downloading the certification, that is also possible, as you can add questions to it. So I'll show what I have done. Here is the thing where you can add your question, give description, and in options you can tell how many attempts you want to give to the client, how to access it, whether login required or not. You can set the time limits. You can set the passing score percentage. You can design the layout of how the questions will be appearing. And these options you can choose the mode in which your attendees will receive the certificate. You can give a badge, like I have created one. You can give the name of the course they have completed certification and add a badge. It has 3 options: gold, silver, bronze. Bronze can be given for beginner level, silver for intermediate, and gold for perfectionist. Now I'll go on to the invoicing module, where the bill will be generated for all the modules we are offering. Here first set up your company data, then invoice layout will show you a sample invoice generated. You can choose your payment method. So I've created one. You can create your own layout by creating this by clicking on create. This is the customer to whom we are intending to provide the module. You can give your invoice date, payment terms. You can give a date also. I've given the period. Then you can edit the product name. It will add GST and automatically give the bill. I'll show you how to create. See here the customer details, delivery address. Add a line to the product name and the label. You can edit the price here, give the invoice date, payment terms, that is a period or the date, and then some GST will be added and the final bill will appear here.
So these were the modules which we showed you, which we created. Now I'll show you the further scope of this project. Here you can see the different type of modules. Whatever you want to explore further, you can just go ahead and click on install. Once you click on install and go back to your dashboard, you will get that application icon created automatically.
Now I'll show you settings where we can give the access rights and other features. In general settings, we can manage users, languages we want to set for our website, and then you can see the developer mode. It gives an added advantage if we want to edit something or create any new thing. And then we can go see the settings of each of the modules. See, here we have added the mailing and certification. That's why that option of creating certification was coming in the e-learning module. Similarly, you can edit the settings of other apps.
So this video is a brief description about how we at NoHub use the Odoo platform